Someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who ground me, take the message back from me. Tell them I'm defying gravity. I'm flying high, gravity to the max and breathe now. And nobody in all of us, no ways like that there is no us is ever gonna breathe. Thank you so much, everyone. Abangan niyo po ang weekend and please have a great night. Thank you again. I'm Stel. Thank you so much and have a great night. Thank you. I love you.